Hi guys, I'm Avishi. Welcome to the BigBasket channel. Today I'm going to share with you 5 thoughtful gifting ideas that will make your loved ones burst with joy. From BFF to Nani, these gifts will cover the entire range of your loved ones. Also, there's a hidden giveaway question in this video, so watch till the end to win an exciting voucher. Firstly, we have a gift for the person who हमारी life से chaos दूर करती है. Yes, you guessed it right. It's for mom. Okay, so for my mom, I got a little bit of home decor because for Diwali, I love to decorate the house with my mom, and this year, obviously, I won't be with her for Diwali, which is so sad. That'll be the first time I won't be spending Diwali with my family, which is why I've got her these beautiful candle holders. They really match my mom's super unique style. Like, she absolutely loves stuff like this, and I know she's gonna be so happy decorating the house with these things. I got a corn candle holder. It's got this really pretty block print on it. I love how elegant and unique it is. The detail is so beautiful. I wish I could be with her decorating the house, but I hope that this brings her that Diwali joy of decorating the house. The next gift is for someone who I always go to for life advice. That is my dearest dad. My emotional support system and the backbone of the house, and a lover of coffee, which is why I've gotten him an espresso coffee maker. It's a stovetop espresso maker, so you keep it on your stove. It's just very fancy and cute, and I know my dad is gonna have so much fun making coffee with this. And it's so compact and elegant. Like, this is such a perfect gifting item. It looks like this from the inside. I'm so excited for him to make coffee this way. And only about 2 humans get sick of my rants about how bura college ka khana is, and Nani comes to the rescue. And she loves to make chutneys, which is why I got her an electric chopper. This chops everything from dry fruits to spices to vegetables and fruits. I got this from the BigBasket app. So compact. I feel like this is so perfect for her kitchen and for her to just be able to move it around say. Very cute Diwali purchase for any cooking lovers. Before we move on to the next person, do let me know who you would like to get a gift for on this Diwali. Comment it. I'm very curious to know. And what fun is any festival without your bestie? Of course, I had to get her something skincare and makeup related because she's such a makeup enthusiast. So I got her this body mist and lip gloss combo. This is such a pretty lip shade that I got from the BigBasket app. And along with that, I got this amazing body mist in strawberry because she loves strawberry scents. I feel like this will be perfect for her to take to college also because it's pretty small. It'll fit in her bag, but it still won't get over really fast. And I just know that she's gonna love this shade of lip gloss. It's a tinted lip gloss too. I love tinted lip glosses. One of my fondest Diwali memories is when my cousins used to come over to my house and we used to binge watch cartoons together while eating snacks. So I got them a bunch of chocolates. One of my cousins loves nutty chocolates, so I got her this one. And my other cousin loves fruit and nut chocolates, so I got him this big, gigantic packet of chocolates. I just know that these chocolates will be over in 2 days, despite how big they are. Chocolates are such a perfect gift. You can literally never go wrong with getting someone chocolate. And now it's time for the giveaway question. What kind of coffee does my dad like? Go ahead and comment. I hope this video helped you solve all of your gifting dilemmas, and if you would like any of these products, they'll all be linked in the description. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more exclusive content from me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the BigBasket channel. Stay tuned for more college-related tips, tricks, and hacks, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bye!